Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am coming to you barefaced today because today is actually going to be a cleaning and organizational video. So I just recently got back from Florida. I sat down to film. I have a few ideas of things I want to film. This space is so cluttered and messy that it is completely stifling any sort of creativity that I have, to be honest. I don't know if you guys are like that or not, where clutter just like derails everything. But I just need to get this space in order. So I've been really inspired by Laura Lee's like Sunday reset videos lately, so I kind of want to just clean with you guys. So hopefully this inspires you to tackle kind of an area in your home or your workplace of clutter that you've been avoiding. Hopefully just give you a fresh, clean space to work in or be creative in. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into I guess I'll show you like the clutter around me first, and then we'll get into the actual cleaning organization. Okay, so here's the view from where I sit. Here's all the light situation. And I have a mirror here that I look into to help me apply my makeup. And here is the makeup quote unquote desk. Now this is not really a desk. It's just like a little storage thing. I've got makeup inside here as well as many other things. And Wes has told me for months, and I agree with him, like I need a legit desk in here, you guys. Like look at all of this clutter. It's bad. I did another video a while ago. I'll leave it linked, of me working on like the sides of the room. Right now I just want to take care of like this stuff and this stuff. So I have a bad habit of like when I get something new in or when I film with something, I just lay it to either side of me on the floor. And especially with me being in this air cast right now, update, I'll leave that video linked as well, where I fractured my foot. The ortho agreed I actually have a broken sesamoid bone, which is like somewhere right here in my foot from that Greece adventure. So I have to wear this for 3 weeks, and like this is just not a safe pathway for me right now. So I need to get it under control. So I'm going to set the camera up on a tripod and get to work. All right, so I've got these two baskets that I completely emptied out on the floor just to try to put stuff away a little bit better in these baskets. It's by no means organized, but I just want to get this stuff out of the way to begin with, and then I can tackle another day the actual organization. Part of my issue is I have no more place for palettes, but I would really like to add some wall shelves here, or maybe here on the wall. Like I need to cover this whole up. This is how the house was when I bought it, you guys. So there's a lot I can do with the room. I just need to get to that point. So right now I'm just trying to clear the floor space, like I said, to make it a little more functional. I have that bookshelf over there that is mostly organized, but these baskets go on there. So I'm gonna set up the camera so you can see me kind of going through things and do a little fast forward clean session. All right, this is probably the best angle I can get you right now. So in this box, I'm just gonna start putting pretty much palettes, whether they be face palettes, eye palettes, and just fit as many as I can. I'm gonna try to put bigger ones on the bottom. I've got another basket over here too, and I'm filling both of these. I think some of the palettes like this, just for storage, like I've been keeping the outer boxes, like casing, packaging, but I just don't have space. So I'm gonna have to take some of them out. I haven't even used this yet. Be looking for it in a pile of shame episode near you. But I think I'm gonna have to get rid of some of this outer packaging because I don't have space for it. All right, this is probably as full as I can fit this one. Maybe I can do one more tiny thin layer of pellets here. Let me try. Okay, that's about it. So I'm gonna move this one out of the way. Okay, I'm gonna put any other palettes and just random stuff in this basket. this box is done, moving that one out of the way. I'm going to fill this box next just to, once again, get some stuff out of the way. Alright, here's the last tiny box here just to get stuff cleaned up, and then I'm going to take you guys to my quote-unquote desktop next. Alright, so here's the top of the desk I use. Like I've said, it's not really a desk, and yes, I do have you all propped up on a book normally in my videos just because my stand is not high enough, so I really just need to clean off this whole situation and put stuff away I'm not currently using, just keep out stuff I want to use right now, clean the mirror and everything. So we're going to do that next. So part of the problem with this station too, I don't know if you can tell, but it's bowed. It's not even level or flat. So I really need to get something else for this space, like soon. I just don't know when that's gonna happen, you know. I'd either have to get it shipped here and have Wesley help me build it, or have him drive me someplace since I can't currently drive. And yeah, not being able to drive or walk, guys, it's just a huge inconvenience, as I'm sure you can imagine. But I don't know, it just makes you appreciate things you normally take for granted that you could normally do with no help whatsoever. Now all of a sudden you like can't do anything without help, which I really hate, but it is what it is. So we just have to deal with it, I guess, for a while. Alright, I went ahead and cleaned off my mirror as well. It needs new batteries. This is the one my brother got me for Christmas a while ago, so I'm going to put that back. And I think instead of putting stuff loose back, I have these little baskets that I'm going to put stuff in just so it's a little less cluttered in front of me. Maybe that will help me. Okay, this space looks much better. I know it's not great by any means. Trust me, you guys, I know. But like the floor is mostly cleaned. I have one basket there instead of it being all over. These smaller boxes right here, like this one and these, are jewelry. I need to get a little jewelry station going. I have one palette there. That's broken, that single on top of there. So I just put it there so I could figure out what to do with it. Because if I put it in the palette, it's going to make a mess. And then this is all clean. So I brought up my vacuum cleaner. I'm going to do a little vacuum. And yeah, then I think I'll be done for the day. Shoo! Alright guys, I know that video was a little out of the ordinary for me, a little something different. I changed my camera where I put it up when I'm done, so we'll try this new angle difference too for a while. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with me. Again, I hope this inspired you to clean a little portion of your world. And I hope to see you again on the next one for more beauty and makeup content. Bye!